Let us continue with examples on tangents and normals. This is a question. At what points on this curve? That means we will find the points. Points नहीं दिया है. Where the tangents are parallel to y-axis. First bit, second bit parallel to x-axis. Now the basic concept, if a tangent or if a line is parallel to y-axis, then slope is infinite. मतलब 1 by slope is 0 for parallel to y-axis. And for parallel to x-axis, it is slope is 0. You don't use slope is infinite. Better to use 1 by slope is 0 for parallel to y-axis and slope is 0 for parallel to x-axis. Okay, let us do. What is the given curve? Given curve is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Differentiate this because we need tangent slope of the tangent. So 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 minus 4 dy by dx equal to 0. Let me get dy by dx. This gives me dy by dx common 2y minus 4 equal to 2 minus 2x, taking these two terms to right side. So what is dy by dx? It is 2 kata 1 minus x by y minus 2. Okay. Now this is, ये क्या है? Slope of the tangent at any point. अच्छा, tangent to the curve at any point P whose coordinates are x and y. Okay, no need to take the point x1, y1. Now, tangent is parallel to y-axis. Means 1 by slope of the tangent dy by dx is 0. This gives me y minus 2 by 1 minus x is 0. Means y equal to 2. So when y equal to 2, then what is my x? I will get x from the equation by putting y equal to 2. Putting y equal to 2 in the equation, we get क्या मिला? x square plus 4 minus 2x minus 8 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, what I got? X square minus 2x minus 3 is 0. So x minus 3 into x plus 1 is 0. So this gives me x is 3 and x is minus 1. So therefore required points are क्या मिला रे? x3 y2 and x minus 1 y2. At these 2 points, the tangents are parallel to y-axis. Now, tangents parallel to x-axis means dy by dx is 0. मतलब 1 minus x by y minus 2 is 0. So x is 1. So putting x equal to 1 in the equation, we get x1 लगाओ, it is 1 plus y square minus 2 minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. So this gives me y square minus 4y equal to 0. Am I right? Minus 2, 1, 1, 2 cancelled. So y is 0, y is 4. So what are the required points? Points are x is 1, y is 0 and x is 1, y is 4. Getting the idea? At these points, the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Now, let us take another question. Find the points on the curve. Question. Find the points on the curve. Root x plus root y equal to 4, at which the tangents are equally inclined to coordinate axis. Okay, tangents are equally inclined to coordinate axis means, mark here, these are the coordinates. Tangent is equally inclined to coordinate axis, मतलब ये 45, ये भी 45, equally inclined. This is one situation, this is another situation. ये 45, ये भी 45. Here slope is 1, here slope is minus 1. So what is the condition for a line to equally inclined between coordinate axis or two coordinate axis? That is, slope is plus minus 1. So tangent is equally inclined to coordinate axis means slope of the tangent is plus minus 1. So let us find slope of the tangent. Root x plus root y equal to 4. So 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is 0. So what is dy by dx? It is minus 2 root y by 2 root x minus root y by root x. This is plus minus 1. Getting the idea? So I got root y is plus minus root x. Put this value in the equation. Now this gives me, therefore x root x plus minus root x is 4. But mark here, if it is minus root x, then the result is 0. I shall not get x. So obviously I get 2 root x is 4. Getting the idea? Okay? आ रहा है समझ में? So what is root x? It is 2. Okay? So what is x? X क्या है? It is 4. Getting the idea? So if x is 4, then what is y? Is also 4. Put x is 4. Then root y is 2, y is 4. The required point is 4, 4. So this is the point where the tangent is equally inclined to coordinate axis. Okay? Getting the idea? Now, this is another question. Find the point on y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the equation of tangent is y equal to x minus 11. Tangent दे दिया, पॉइंट निकालना है. तो What is slope of the tangent from the equation? From y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 dy by dx is 3x square minus 11. And what is this? This is slope of the tangent at any point xy. Okay. What is the slope of the line? Yeah. Y equal to mx plus c style. M is 1. दूसरा तरीका, get dy by dx. dy by dx निकाल, 1 मिलेगा. That is also slope of the line. Okay. Getting the idea. चलो. तो slope of the line is 1. तो I got dy, ये लाइन कर्व का टेंजेंट है, तो स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट एंड टेंजेंट लाइन का स्लोप दोनों इक्वल है. Therefore 3x square minus 11 must be equal to 1. So I got 3x square is 12. So x square is 4. So x is what? Plus minus 2. So if x is plus minus 2, what is y? X equal to 2 gives me mark this. A simple idea. x2, that point lies both on the curve and on the tangent. तो तुम x का वैल्यू कर्व में पुट करके y निकाल सकते हो, लाइन में पुट करके भी y निकाल सकते हैं. बट जनरली वी डोंट डू दैट. हम इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व में पुट करके निकालते हैं. तो x2 means y is 8 minus 22 plus 5, that is 13 minus 22, what it is? Y is plus 13. X is plus minus 2. x2 लगा. x2 लगाने से क्या मिलता है? Here 8 13 minus 22 is minus 9. यहाँ लगा minus 9 भी मिलेगा. x equal to minus 2 gives me y is how much? Minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. Okay, that is 19. Therefore the points are what? 2 minus 9 and 2 19. Getting the idea? Let us take some more questions on tangents and normals. Okay? Now, next question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to x equal to 1 minus cos theta, y equal to theta minus sin theta at theta equal to pi by 4. Now what is dx by d theta? Slope निकालते हैं पहले. माइनस cos theta का sin theta over. What is dy by d theta? Theta का 1, sin theta का derivative cos theta. Now what is dy by dx? It is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now at pi by 4, what is dy by dx? 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So root 2 multiplied, root 2 minus 1. This is slope of the tangent. Now for theta equal to pi by 4, what is x? 1 minus 1 by root 2. And y? Pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2. So what is the equation of the tangent? Is y minus y1 pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 equal to m root 2 minus 1 into x minus x1 x minus 1 minus 1 by root 2. Simplify and get the answer. Very simple. Okay. Now next question. Very simple. So that x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the curve y equal to b x e to the power b into e to the power minus x by a at the point where it crosses y-axis. What crosses? Curve crosses y-axis. So now, what is the point the curve crosses y-axis when x equal to 0 or not on the y-axis? Put x equal to 0. That is y equal to b e to the power minus 0 by a. It is b. So that is at x is 0, y is b. Now at this point, the slope, the equation of tangent is this we want to show. The point mil gaya. Now if I get slope of the tangent, then our work is over. dy by dx is b into e to the power something, derivative, same, e to the power minus x by a into derivative of minus x by a, it is minus 1 by a. Now at 0b dy by dx slope of the tangent is x0 लगा, ये 1 है, minus b by a. तो equation of the tangent is y minus y1 y minus b equal to m minus b by a into x minus x1 x minus 0 b को इधर ले आओ y by b minus 1 equal to minus x by a. I got इसको इधर. You got the equation of tangent. So in our next video we shall take some more questions on tangents and normals.